Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, popularly known as Missile Man, rose to the height of becoming the first citizen of India, that is, the President of India. He was the architect of India's integrated missile development program and a recipient of the highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Abul Pakir Jainuddin Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father Jainuddin was a boat owner and imam of a local mosque, and his mother Ashi Amma was a homemaker. Kalam was youngest of all in his siblings. In his early years of school, Kalam was an average student but a determined and hardworking one. Mathematics was his main interest. After completing his schooling from Schwartz Higher Secondary School, he went to St. Joseph's College where he earned his graduation degree in physics. In 1955, he went to Madras to study aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. During his third year of graduation, he was assigned a project to design a low-level attack aircraft together with a few other students. Kalam worked hard and completed his project within the stipulated deadline. His teacher was impressed by his dedication. As a result, Kalam went to become a fighter pilot, but he got ninth position in the qualifiers list and only 8 positions were available in Indian Air Force. After completing his graduation in 1957 from the Madras Institute of Technology, he joined the Aeronautical Development Establishment of the Defence Research and Development Organization, but he wasn't much satisfied with his work at DRDO. In 1969, he was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization, where he directed the creation of India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV 111, which successfully deployed the Rohini satellite in July 1980. In 1970s, he made an effort to develop the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, which was successful and first launched on 20th September 1993. Due to his contribution in various projects, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. He was bestowed with honours like Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna, Veer Savarkar Award, and many more. Despite being awarded with honorary doctorates from over 40 universities, national and international awards, Kalam led a very simple life. In 2002, Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India with support of both the ruling party, Bharatiya Janata Party, and the then opposition, Indian National Congress, against Lakshmi Sehgal. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, widely known as People's President, remained committed to his vision of transforming India into a developed nation over the course of his 5-year term. He decided not to contest the presidential election again in 2007 and stepped down as the president on 25 July 2007. After leaving the office, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam chose the academic field and became a visiting professor at the Indian Institute of Management Shillong, the Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad, the Indian Institute of Management Indore, and honorary fellow of the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He also served as the Chancellor of the Indian Institute of Aerospace Engineering at Anna University and an adjunct at many other academic and research institutions across India. In his literary pursuit, Dr. Kalam has authored and co-authored many books such as Wings of Fire, 2020 A Vision for the New Millennium, My Journey, Ignited Minds, The Luminous Sparks, Inspiring Thoughts, Mission India, etc. These books have been translated in many Indian languages. Dr. Kalam passed away on 27th July 2015 while delivering a lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, due to sudden cardiac arrest. On 30th July 2015, former president was laid to rest at Rameshwaram's P. Karambu ground with full state honours. India reacted to Kalam's death with an outpouring of grief. The government of India declared a 7-day state mourning period as a mark of respect. In the memory of late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a memorial was built on his name at P. Karambu by DRDO in the island town of Rameshwaram. On 27th July 2017, it was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi. Some of the inspiring quotes by him are: education gives you wings to fly. Achievement comes out of fire in our subconscious mind that I'll win. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is something that does not let you sleep. India is indebted to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in uncountable ways and proud of such a brilliant personality.